Hi, how do you? Today I'm going to draw a very nice sailboat. For this, let's draw the main structure of the boat. This is usually, the boat. This is usually a curved line. It's a big curved line, and we can draw another big curved line, which is the parallel to the previous one. We draw to the end of the paper. All right. Then we're going to draw another line, and from this side too, and the connections here. Another straight line just comes to the water. You can see the waves of the water. Okay. For the top parts, we're going to draw some straight lines for the sail, because as this is a sailboat, so the sails needs the windy environment, and usually this is connected, or the sail stands with a very straight bamboo pole or any other steel pole which is very straight, and usually this is curved at the bottom. Another sail you can see on the front side, and we are going to draw another straight line for the structural purpose, and the sail itself has a curve here. Okay, and you can see the third sail, which is little smaller in size, and this is another front line, and this is curved up here. The second part, this is also curved here, and that sail on the other side, this is just connected here, and you can see another curve here. All right, so this is the combinations. You can see a few rope lines. You can change the directions with the help of these ropes. So this is the control point. That's how we draw the basic structure of a sailboat. Now we are going to draw the colors. As you know, this is the sail in the middle, so we are going to put the orange color for it. Let's draw the orange color for the main body of the sails. Sometimes the sails, this is usually made with the cloths, very light and durable cloth, which doesn't tear up because of the strong winds. Sometimes in the ocean or in the river, the winds are very strong, and the cloths, those are used in the sails, that has to be sustained in the face of the strong winds. Okay, let's draw the segments of the other part on the other side with the same color segments. For the beautifications, we are going to put 3 colors for the 3 sails. Let's put blue color for the smaller one. All right, you can see in the colors, it looks nice. Now we are going to put little green type color for the other sales in the back. Okay. All right. This is the edge of the sail here, as you can see. So after we draw the three sails, very colorful, the drawing is already looking nice. For the poles, we are going to put the orange color. Let's put the colors here. This one, the pole has the blue color. And the last one, the pole is going to be the red color. I'm just making the color variations for the part by part or the segment to segment separation. The top part of the board, this is going to be the navy blue, the dark blue usually. Okay. And after this, the bottom part, this is another shades of blue. All right. The bottom part, we're going to put the black with a crayon color. This is the bottom of the ship, the large sail ship. You know, the drawing, this is not that much complicated one. This is easy. You can draw the whole shape with few light strokes. Okay. We can do the details of the corners with the pencils. All right. And this corner too. Okay. And the ocean water, this is just the crayon and the variations of the depth of the thickness of different blue, all blue, blue, and the blue. Okay, you can see the drawing is done and it looks really nice. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day. And one last thing, if you like the channel, please subscribe the channel and stay with us. Next videos, we are going to bring more interesting subjects and videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.